Yo, man, I heard something crazy is happening tomorrow, and I wasn't gonna even drop a video today, but I gotta let everybody know, because everybody's anticipating to cop these bad boys. We're about to begin a shop drop tomorrow on the Nike SNKRS app for these Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. If you guys are new here, you're new to the channel, and you already messed with the vibes that we got over here, go ahead and subscribe right now, hit the notification bell, and go ahead and comment down below. Let me know if you will be going after a pair of these Gratitude Air Jordan 11s. Probably one of the most anticipated cops for a lot of people, because it's people that come out the woodworks to cop a pair of 11s every single year. Every year, man, something crazy that is happening surrounding the Air Jordan 11 holiday release, and this happens to be the Gratitudes this year, 2023, man. And please follow it up with a huge like on today's video, man. Them likes go a long way. It helps the channel grow. You guys already know, man, we're striving for that 100K, which is coming very, very soon. Appreciate all love and support to you guys, man. So go ahead and get straight into the meat and potatoes of this shock drop. Everything you need to know, man. Tomorrow, November the 14th, at 1:23 Central Standard Time and 2:23 Eastern Standard Time, these bad boys will be releasing on the Nike SNKRS app. And they might hit us with one of those things to where they let you know 10 minutes before or 5 minutes before, however they want to do it. But just know these things will be all on the Nike SNKRS app. And I'm hearing there's a lot of pairs that's going to be on this shock drop, man. Something similar to what we seen last year with the Cherries and the year before that with the Air Jordan 11 Jubilees, where they, you know what I'm saying, put a lot on that shock drop. And of course, going to get exclusive access here within the next couple weeks from this shock drop. That's what I'm just saying, man. It's going to be a lot of pairs floating around, bro. They sell some over like 1 million pairs produced for these Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes. And after, you know what I'm saying, seeing these things on feet, after seeing a couple people, you know what I'm saying, rock them and stuff like that, they definitely have grown on me. And this has probably moved up a little bit closer to one of my top 10 pickups of the year. Just because it is a shock drop tomorrow, that does not mean your pair is confirmed, man. You guys already know the rundown, bruh. You gotta be on your phones at that 1:23 Central Standard Time and 2:23 Eastern Time to try to secure a pair, because I'm telling y'all, bruh, I think that this shock drop will go pretty quickly just because there ain't really much dropping this month. You know what I'm saying? We got the Week 13s, we got the Air Jordan 3 Fears, which he did do a first look on. If you haven't checked that one out, go ahead and check out the channel, or I'm gonna link it down below for you guys. And other than that, man, well, also we got the Air Jordan 5, I'm on my years, the Dusk and Dawns, but the Gratitudes definitely will take the cake as far as the most anticipated release for these last couple months in November and December timeframe. We did already do a full review and on feed over these things right here, man. I'm telling y'all, bruh, the on feed looks, the on foot shot with a couple of different pants and joggers definitely make me like these things a lot more. And just check out the comments on Instagram and over here on YouTube with these things on feet. It's gonna be a lot of people actually trying to add these things to the collection, regardless of the fact that this is not a DMP, bro. They kind of gave us a little spin off. They gave us the Gratitude hit, the all leather on the upper. And of course, you guys can see on the outsole, man, we got something totally different with it. Kind of like creamy outsole, kind of giving you like a 72 and 10 vibe on these joints. Please let me know right now down below in the comment section if you will be going after a pair of these things tomorrow. Again, 1:23 Central Standard Time and 2:23 Eastern Standard Time. Go ahead and comment it down below ASAP Rocky. Let's see how you guys are feeling about this upcoming Air Jordan 11 release. Because at the beginning of the year, it was a lot of people trashing these things, a lot of people saying that they ain't getting them just because it isn't that traditional DMP that we wanted. But now that we're getting close to the release, bruh, that energy, that temperature definitely has been changing and giving a little bit more momentum on this Air Jordan 11 drop. That will be happening tomorrow, and the official release date being December the 9th, man. So yeah, man, I appreciate all the love, support. Thank you guys for tapping in. I'm gonna go ahead and put a quick little clip of the on feed of these things just to show you guys what you will be getting if you do secure a pair tomorrow. And one last time, because I know there's gonna be some comments asking me what time they drop in. Tomorrow, November 14th, 1:23 Central Standard Time and 2:23 Eastern Standard Time, the Air Jordan 11 Gratitude things will be shock dropping. Stay tuned, stick around, and tomorrow it's gonna be definitely a good one for everybody. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we drop, and go ahead and leave a huge like on today's video. Let's get this video pushed to everybody so they can know about this shock drop happening. Again, man, thanks for pulling up. I appreciate all the support, and I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow. gotta do a little quick recap, seeing what happens on this shock drop on the Nike SNKRS app, man. Peace.